Sir,
Why?
I'm seeing
What do you feel, Nilotpal?
everything. Sir, I'm seeing everything, and I don't know what is the fear. What is the fear? What will come out? I don't know. Some reporter from other channels, very famous journalist, says he was a very small star. What does that mean?
Who said that?
A normal
Who said that?
Rajdeep Sardesai. Ask
it-
India Today.
It's ridiculous.
He said he's a very small star. So what does that mean? He cannot get justice? Who the hell is he? Now,
Sushant
why
was
to
called a
attack
small
families?
star. That is the most. May I respond if that is
And
true?
a
Because
normal
I'm
person
not
will also
aware
expect
if the individual
justice
you
in India.
mentioned made such a abhorrent, disgraceful, and low-level remark. But
A normal
I think
person, sir, a
I think
normal person.
if anybody made such a comment on Sushant, I think people will judge. Yes,
He made
please
it
go on.
yesterday. Sir, he made it yesterday. Who is he?
It's ridiculous. It's sad.
So to say that he's a small star. So what does that mean? He will not get justice. And why to attack family? If you attack family, but does that mean he will not get justice? I'm telling you, sir, on your debate, I am handicapped. I have polio. I'm the weakest community. I belong to the weakest community of India. I stand rock solid with Sushant Bhai. And if the weakest community is standing with Sushant Bhai, entire nation is with him. I'm telling you, sir.
Nilotpal,
Attacking family, attacking Sushant Bhai doesn't mean he will not deserve justice. He deserves justice. No reporter can come and tell him a small star. What does that mean? You alleged his father. What does that mean? Why don't you allege Ria father? He has been called by ED, not Sushant Bhai father.
Well,
So I'm telling you, I'm the weakest community of the society. I'm a disabled, and I stand rock solid with Sushant Bhai, whether anyone is standing or not. And his fans are his extended family. Whether anyone will not come, he will get justice, and we will see who is coming and stopping him in getting justice.
may I respond to you, Nilotpal? You are not the weakest, so please don't say that. You are the strongest because you have come and you have stuck your neck out for your friend, and that takes courage and that shows character. You know who are the weakest? The weakest, Nilotpal, are those who have power but wield it to block justice. They are the weakest, but let me tell you with absolute certainty, we will win. And you are very well aware. So don't take what uninformed people have said to heart about Sushant. Whether it is a TV anchor, whether it is anyone else, or whether it is the Maharashtra government. You are well aware, I'm not speaking any specific context, Nilotpal, that my sources in the Enforcement Directorate have told me that Ria Chakrabarti desperately contacted one particular film director and asked the film director, how can I get a few quote-unquote friendly journalists to support me? And I find it interesting that just around that time, which is about 5 or 6 days back, a lot of people who were not even reporting this case earlier, right? Who were not even reporting this case earlier, suddenly started reporting it by getting planted interviews of people and planted statements. So this is natural. It happens all the time. You will not be disheartened by it because we'll ask questions. And I have many questions as well. So Nilotpal, please take back what you said. You are not weak. You are very strong. We stay strong through this, okay?